Hey everybody. If you want to fix the application not installed error on your Android device, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. So for that we can start by freeing up storage. So if you do not have free storage on your device, that may be the reason why you are not able to download applications. So ensure that you have at least 10 to 15% free space by deleting the old files or applications. Apart from that, you can restart your device. So you can hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option. Just a simple restart should fix many temporary glitches that may be happening on your device. Apart from that, you can ensure your internet connection is stable. So look out for the Wi-Fi that you're connected to and see if your internet is stable. That is also possible. And if there is any existing old version of the applications, you can remove those applications, look out for the install or disable option, and then install the latest version instead. Apart from that, you can clear cache and data. So for that, you can hold your Play Store application and go to their info and scroll down, find the option for storage and tap on it. And then look out for clear cache and tap on it and also clear the data if necessary. You can repeat the same process for Google Play services as well. And you need to manage permissions as well. Sometimes go to settings, scroll down, find apps and tap on it. And look out for the three dot in the top and tap on it again. And look out for special access. And turn on this option for installing the unknown applications. And select the particular app from which you're